So where are you going to find all of this information about HR in an esports company? Well, obviously, you can start with the company website. You can start with LinkedIn. You can do a general Google search, but there are also some useful sources available to you through the library. And since you're here and you're spending the money, you might as well take advantage of them. So I'm going to go up to the top here, go to my DC Connect, and I'm going to go to Links and Resources, Library, and I'm going to just start with research guides, and I want business. And here we've got company and industry research. So this is useful. So I just want to draw your attention to two of these. There's lots and lots of information here. If you just want basic information about the company, LexisNexis Uni is useful. So I'm going to pull this up and I'm going to look for company info. That's what I want. I don't want all the news, and particularly I don't, because I'm going to look for Riot Games and it's going to tell me all of the law course, all of the legal things with games and TechCo versus Riot Games. I don't want those documents. I just want the company and financial. So Riot Games company front profile. Here I go. So it's giving me the address, how many employees, 2,500, industry type, we know that. Lots and lots of other stuff here. Description, SIC codes, who are the competitors, and there's their financials, there's their revenue. So if you just want some quick information about the company, just the basics, just the facts, ma'am, that's not a bad place to go. Another useful source here, it's going to keep backing. Get out of here. Go back here, and I'm going to see if I can find any articles. So Business Source Complete is a good source for that. I wonder if there's been anything about Riot Games and human resources. I'm going to select the field because what I want these as subject terms. So if I search that, let's see what I find. No, I'm going to start with Riot Games as a subject term and just search it and see if I can come up with something. Ooh, look at this. Riot Games employees will walk out to protest forced arbitration. That definitely sounds like something related to HR. And if I want to see the full text of this article, I can. So I can read the article. So those are just a couple of ways that you could approach this. Use them if it's helpful. If you can find everything you need off the website or general Google search or any other sources of information that you may be familiar with related to esports, that works too.